Meet Binny. He loves to clean up.
Oh. Look at all this paper.
Paper goes in the blue bin. Great job, Binny! You did it! Now, let us find some plastic. An empty bottle on the grass.
Plastic goes in the yellow bin. The playground is so clean now.
Recycling is fun and super easy. You can be a helper too. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time on Boba Boo.